Hi, my name's John and I'd like to talk to you about the new version of Windows, which is Windows 10. I would advise all people who enjoy and respect your privacy to not install this software on your computer. When this software first came out, I was waiting with great anticipation for its release. And when I got the installation software from Microsoft, the first thing it requested me to do was remove my Symantec antivirus software so that it could install, which got me to wondering just why would this program need me to uninstall my antivirus software. I started doing some investigation, and it turns out that after you install Windows 10, you cannot reinstall your antivirus software, which led me to investigate a little further, which made me realize as I was reading the EULA End User License Agreement that number one, if you are going to install this software, part of that end user license agreement is that you forfeit all legal rights in any way, shape, or form of going after Microsoft for anything that is wrong with this software. Now, I thought that was rather strange, but as I read the end user license agreement even further, it turns out that by agreeing to the end user license agreement, you give Microsoft complete control of your computer. And what I mean by that is it gives them the authority to go into your computer without your knowledge, without your agreement, without a search warrant, and look at any file they want to, any picture they want to, any email they want to, any document they want to. In other words, they can search your entire computer without a warrant, without having to go to the courts and ask for permission, without having to go to the police and ask for permission. And my personal thought on this whole matter is that probably Microsoft is now working in conjunction with the National Security Agency of the United States government. That's the only reason I can figure that Microsoft would want unfettered access to a person's personal computer. In my books, I've worked on computers and computer software since 1986. And in my books, this is nothing more than a giant piece of spyware. And by using it, you're forfeiting all your rights. And you're leaving yourself completely exposed to the scrutiny of Microsoft or any governmental agency they are working with. So if you've got, say, child porn on your computer, or if you've got secret business documents on your computer, or you've got secret love letters on your computer, or anything like that, well, you don't have any privacy. They can just go in, take them, they can download them, they can store them, they can do whatever they want with them, because by clicking on I agree to the end user license agreement, you have forfeited all your rights, as I said before. My best advice to all you people out there that want to keep your privacy is I would switch to any other operating system other than Microsoft, because this is one step over the line to, it's not actually a step over the line, it's a humongous leap towards Big Brother. The book called 1984, where they spoke about how the government was going to be watching you at all times. Well, they can come in, they can use your little computer camera like I'm using right now, and they can watch you and what you're doing, and the light doesn't even come on the front of it. And I didn't make this up. I read this in a technical document. So buyer beware with Windows 10. Now I understand why they were trying to give it away to people and making a big hoop-de-doo about it. And that's not to mention the fact that it's a giant piece of crap as far as an operating system is concerned. It seems that Microsoft has the unfettered ability to release one piece of crap after another. I mean, XP was around for a long time, and even though it had its bugs, I could use it. You know, then it got to be Windows 7, which was a turd, and Windows 8 was a turd, Windows 8.1 was a turd, and Windows 10 is just a giant fucking cow pie. And tell you people, tell all your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your grandmother, do not use this software unless you don't care about your privacy. Anyways, if you want to look me up on the web, you just look up Processor of Truth, all one word, no spaces or anything, and you'll find out about me. I'm here to try and help you people around the globe not get fucked by the big boys in government and by those 1% motherfuckers who call us the, what is it, the words that they use? Useless eaters. Okay? There's a global conspiracy underway, whether you want to believe it or not. If you want to stick your head in the sand, wonderful. I'm not saying do this or do that. I don't care if you believe me or not. You know, all that I'm saying is the real bad crap is going to hit the fan very, very soon, and you don't want to be around when it does, but unfortunately we all don't have a choice in the matter. We are here and we are going to step in the cow pie. But just a little tip, Windows 10, stay the hell away from it. It's a fucking piece of spyware built by a company who's in cahoots with the government. Anyways, adios, have a good night, talk to you later.